My name is Jack Commons. I'm the new candidate for the Greystones LEA for the upcoming local elections. I'm a maths teacher working locally. I've recently had my first son, Ollie, with my fiancée Zoe. I'm also a recent first-time buyer, and I'm very excited about representing Fianna Fáil in the upcoming elections. My three main priorities are the local schools in Greystones, the local transport, and the local development plan. As a local teacher, I've seen firsthand how overcrowded the schools have been and the lack of places for children. Local transport, the darts and buses need to be more frequent as people are struggling to get to and from work. And the local development plan, people are struggling to get houses to live locally, and this is something that I would like to work on. Being a young person and putting myself forward was an easy decision. Being a first-time buyer and starting my family, the issues affecting local young people are directly affecting me too. I want to be there to make a difference for the local people and for the young people around me. Delivering for Ireland, delivering for you.